Welcome to ReGen Rehab Hospital. My name is Felicia and allow me to take you on a virtual tour. This is the area of the concierge on the ground floor where family and visitors can wait and relax. So now let's go to the ambulance bay where the ambulance drop-off is. If you're not coming by an ambulance, we have an outpatient drop-off which is at the lower ground floor. Over here, we have the medical clinic where you will be treated and getting consultation by our doctors. And opposite the clinic is the outpatient gym where the patients can come for their therapy treatment. This is our single room. It comes with an ensuite toilet. So here is also the sleeper chair and also a communication board where they record their daily schedule and rehab goals. So here is the double room. It comes with a shared toilet. So here is our deluxe room with just an additional upgrade, calling it the premium room. You can have an additional standard room attached to this, which is available for the caretakers. That's not all. Let us take a look at what's more to offer. So here is our neuro inpatient gyms, where the inpatients do their therapy treatments here. So this is our active rehab gym. So here is the family lounge where the patients can chill and relax. Here is our rooftop area and also the outdoor therapy. So patients can go for a walk here and enjoy the fresh air and sunshine. I hope you enjoyed this tour. Thank you for following me. Bye bye. Drive safe.